lesson, you will learn words related to airplanes and airports. In the first part, we learn the words, and the second part, we take a test. Okay, let's start. At the airport, Part 1. Airports. The airport has shops and restaurants for travelers. Plane. I love flying on a plane to different places. Flight. Our flight was delayed an hour. Flight. Ticket. Can I see your plane ticket, please? Ticket. Boarding pass. I have my boarding pass for the flight. Boarding pass. Check-in desk. The check-in desk opens 2 hours before the flight. Passport. I need a passport to travel abroad. Passport. Security. Security checks bags and people. Security. Gate. The gate is closing in 10 minutes. Gate. Departure. Departure. Our departure time changed. Departure. Departure hall. Departure hall has shops and cafe. Departure hall. Arrival. Her arrival time is 3 p.m. Arrival. Luggage. We have 2 pieces of luggage. Luggage. Excess baggage. Unfortunately, you have to pay for excess baggage. Excess baggage. Information board. The information board is updated regularly. Information board. Cabin crew. Cabin crew welcome us on the plane. Cabin crew. Pilot. The pilot announces our destination. Pilot.